Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to connect Claude AI agent with your Facebook Ads Manager, or how to integrate your Claude AI agent with Facebook Ads Manager using MCP server. So as you can see right now we are into Claude, and here we are going to click on the customize option available in the left side toolbar, and now we are going to connectors, right? So we need to click on this plus icon, add custom connector, and here we will simply name this custom connector as Facebook Ads. Okay, and in the remote MCP server URL you need to type https://mcp.facebook.com/ads/. Okay, this is the universal MCP for Facebook, right? You just need to enter this URL and click on add. Okay, this has been added. Now we need to connect it, so we are going to click on connect, and make sure to log in your Facebook in a new tab in the same browser using the same email ID which you want to connect. Okay, so here it is asking us to reconnect, continue. Okay, connected to Facebook ads, right? And now let's go to the, might be it would be asking for a business portfolio with whom you want to connect. You can select that business portfolio as well. This time it didn't ask me because I have also connected it previously, right? So make sure to select the right business portfolio and then connect, right? And now we are going to new chat. Hey Claude, which Facebook ad account is connected with you, and what details you can give me related to it? Okay, I have asked this. Let's see what response it gives me back. Okay, it's working, it's analyzing. Okay, let me allow the access. You need to allow the access for the first time. Rest it would not ask because you have already given it the access of going into the ads account and analyzing and giving you the details. You have 50 ad accounts with more potentially on the next page, all operating in INR currency, and these ad accounts, you can see MCP is enabled for these ad account, and for rest it has not been. Okay, so let me see which ad account detail we are going to ask to Claude. Okay, let's copy this ad account ID, Control C. You can also copy the name as well, right? Okay, now give me details about this ad account. Okay, let's see what detail it delivers, right? Always allow. Let's see. It may take time, like within a minute or 30 seconds, right? You need to wait for it. Here is a full breakdown of this ad account name, business, currency, status is active, and these are some campaigns that we have ran, right? Now let me copy this campaign name, right? It is the last active campaign name, and we have ran on and around 59 campaigns. Give me details about this ad campaign results. Okay, let's see. Total spent in last 30 days is 11,303, right? Three campaigns that actually delivered. Okay, always allow. Now let's see what result it gives in the response. Campaign overview. This is the campaign ID, objective, start date, schedule end date, current status is off, lifetime budget is 10,000, amount spent is 5,305, budget remaining is this, budget used, and performance metric, how much impression we have received, how much reach it was, and what was the average frequency. Each person saw the ad 2.7 times on an average. CPM was this, right? Campaign stopped midway because the ad account has hits its overall span limit, right? To let this campaign resume and spend it, the remaining you will need to reset or raise the budget. Okay, what ad strategy you suggest as per this ad campaign results, right? Now let's see what it says. Based on the data we have here is my honest assessment and strategy suggestion. CPM, very cost efficient. Reaching 1,000 people for just 16 rupees is excellent for India. Nice one. Reach is 1,20,621. Good reach for 5,305 rupees. It is saying each person saw the ad 2.7 times. This is in healthy range of 2 to 4 times, right? You are optimizing for replies, engagement, not leads. Okay, you are running engagement campaign for what appears to be a coaching institute. Engagement campaigns are good for awareness and interaction, but for a coaching business, leads are your result goal. Admission, enquiries, form fills. The campaign history also shows how many older lead generation, but recently you have shifted to engagement. That's a step backward in terms of ROI. Okay, switch objective to lead generation, run a two-stage funnel. Stage 1, awareness and engagement, current approach, and stage 2 is retargeting with lead ads, right? Fix the account spend limit first. Okay, budget allocation, 3,000 for engagement ads, 5,000 for lead generation ads, and 2,000 to test a new creative or audience segment. Audience targeting tips, what it is giving. Age is 18 to 28. Rajasthan geography, interest, you can target people on the basis of interest of government jobs, competitive exam, and Rajasthan Public Service Commission. Lookalike audiences built from your existing leads students. Creative recommendation, since frequency is already at 2.70 after just 15 days, ad fatigue will set in soon, right? So you must use 2 to 3 fresh ad creatives, right? So basically it have given us all the suggestion what are required for running a healthy ad campaign for any business, which we have already taught earlier in our Facebook ads manager course, right? So let us ask what actions you can perform on ads manager in this ad account. Okay, let's ask what Claude can do, right? It can view all campaigns, right? It can create new campaigns as well. It can update the campaign, right? It can activate or pause the campaign, right? It can view all ad sets. It can create ad sets. It can update ad sets. It can activate, pause, and add sets. Ad creative management, it can view all ad creatives, create new ad creatives, update ad creatives, activate and pause individual ad creative. Performance and insight, it can fetch performance metrics like CPM, CPC, CTR, frequency, ROS, leads, and conversion. It can analyze performance trends as well. It can break down the metrics as well. It can filter and sort and date range analysis it can do. It can also manage the audiences of Facebook Ads Manager. It can view custom audience, it can create custom audience, it can add and remove users from custom audience, right? It can create creative and asset management. It can view ad creative, it can create new ad creative, it can view ad images, view ad videos, view Facebook page. And if I talk about the metapixel, it can view data set, check data set quality, view data set stats, and view data set feed rules. In diagnostic and errors, it can also check for some anomaly detection, right? And it can fix delivery errors as well. What I cannot do, it cannot upload new images or videos, right? It cannot access billing setting or reset spending limits. It cannot create carousel, video, or lead generation from ad creatives. It cannot manage Instagram specific settings. It cannot access business management settings. So basically these tasks it can perform and these tasks it cannot perform, right? So in this manner you can simply connect your Claude AI with your Facebook Ads Manager using MCP server. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.